Hello and welcome back to my channel IQD to USD updates on the Iraqi dinar and other currencies. Insights from analysts. Recent updates from Bruce VSA have shed light on the progress of the Iraqi dinar alongside currencies such as the Vietnamese Dong, Afghan Afghani, and Indonesian rupiah. According to reports, these currencies underwent global banking system tests last weekend to verify consistent rate visibility across financial platforms worldwide. Encouragingly, the tests were successful, signaling the system's readiness for broader implementation. Optimism. Surrounding Iraqi Dinar Revaluation. Prominent figures in the Iraqi dinar investment community, like Militiaman, have expressed hope for a revaluation of the currency. Such a change could significantly impact Iraq's economy. The Central Bank of Iraq, CBI, has been implementing reforms and collaborating with international financial institutions in the United States and the United Kingdom. New legislative efforts, including the Islamic banking law and the securities law, aim to modernize Iraq's financial system and promote economic stability. Revaluation speculations and caution speculations about the revaluation suggest that it could happen as early as December 10th this year. However, Mark, another key voice in the investment community, advises caution. He emphasizes the importance of awaiting official announcements and not making premature conclusions, despite growing optimism. Shifting perceptions of the Iraqi dinar. Financial institutions have begun showing greater interest in the Iraqi dinar, a currency once dismissed as speculative. Some banks are now assisting customers with exchange-related inquiries. However, not all U.S. banks are participating, and investors must identify which institutions are involved. Currency control and misunderstandings. Contrary to common misconceptions, the value of the Iraqi dinar is determined solely by the Iraqi government and the CBI, not by foreign entities like the U.S. Treasury. This distinction is critical for understanding the currency's trajectory. Potential changes to currency structure analysts, including BMY, speculate that Iraq may remove zeros from the dinar before or during the revaluation. While this would simplify transactions, it would require significant adjustments for Iraqi citizens as they adapt to new pricing structures. Economic strength and reforms. To achieve long-term stability, Iraq needs a strong, internationally recognized currency. Militiaman highlights that the CBI's reforms are essential to strengthening Iraq's financial system. In October, Iraq sold over $6 billion in foreign currency auctions, demonstrating its commitment to bolstering foreign exchange reserves and supporting trade. Progress toward a global currency basket. The Iraqi dinar is expected to be pegged to a basket of global currencies, marking a significant milestone. Frank 26, another analyst, views this development as the final stage of Iraq's monetary restructuring. Iraqi citizens have already been informed about internal adjustments, such as removing 3 zeros from the currency. The focus now shifts to external factors, including the potential for the currency to float on the market. Oil exports resumption. Iraq recently announced the resumption of oil exports through Turkey's Ceyhan port, resolving a long-standing issue. Analysts see this as a crucial step toward stabilizing Iraq's economy, a prerequisite for currency revaluation. IMF's role in the dinar's future. The International Monetary Fund, IMF, reportedly has plans to include the Iraqi dinar in a global currency basket after revaluation. Once revalued, the dinar could be listed on forex markets, though its value might initially fluctuate before stabilizing. Projections suggest an initial value of approximately 0.385 USD, with potential shifts between 0.90 and 1.10 USD during the adjustment period. Population census and economic reforms. Iraq's nationwide population census, emphasized by Prime Minister al-Sudani, is another critical step in shaping economic policies, including adjustments to the dinar's value. A curfew was recently enforced to ensure the census's success. The resulting demographic data will inform legal frameworks and currency reforms. Implications of population growth reports indicate that Iraq's population could exceed 40 million by 2025 and 50 million by 2029. underscoring the urgency of economic reforms. This aligns with the IMF's push for the dinar's revaluation. Drawing lessons from China, Intel guru EMT Goat compared Iraq's potential currency reform to China's 2005 revaluation, where China shifted from pegging its currency to the US dollar to linking it to a basket of global currencies. Iraq may follow a similar trajectory, positioning the dinar for greater global integration.